Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we bring to you a groundbreaking event in Nigerian political history. For the first time ever, a sitting Nigerian president is facing simultaneous protests both in Nigeria and a neighboring country. I want you guys to watch as the people of Niger Republic is raining curses on Tinubu, referring him as Ebola disease, the illegitimate president of Nigeria. Guys, I want you to watch this very video and go to the comment section and tell us what you feel about this disgrace.
Allah is serious to you. Allah is serious to you. Abba, let's say